Searching for a TV that's easy on your wallet and full of great features? Well, get ready to meet the Insignia 32-inch F20 series, your new favorite home companion. This model, the NS-32F202NA23 with SKU 6495086, is turning heads at just $99.99. With a wonderful 4.6 star rating from over 2,179 reviewers, it's clear this TV is a fan favorite. So, what's making everyone so excited? The Insignia TV features a vibrant 32-inch Full HD display, making it a wonderful fit for bedrooms, kitchens, or any cozy space. And here's the best part, it's a SmartFire TV, so you have endless entertainment options right at your fingertips. Let's jump in and explore all the reasons this TV could be the perfect addition to your home. Let's take a friendly tour and see what makes this Insignia TV such a wonderful addition to your home. The 32-inch screen brings your favorite shows and movies to life with crisp, full HD resolution, so every detail shines through. The real highlight is the built-in SmartFire TV experience, making entertainment easy and fun for everyone. You'll have instant access to a world of streaming content from platforms like Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+, and more, all right at your fingertips, with no extra devices needed. Exploring your entertainment options is simple and enjoyable, thanks to the user-friendly interface. And if you love convenience, the voice control feature lets you just speak your commands for a hands-free experience. Simply pick up the remote, press the microphone button, and ask Alexa to find your favorite show, check the weather, or even manage your smart home devices, all with your voice. Don't let the compact size fool you. This Insignia TV brings you impressive picture quality for its class. The Full HD resolution gives you sharp details and vibrant colors, making every viewing experience enjoyable. While it keeps things simple, the picture quality is just right for everyday entertainment. Whether you're catching the latest blockbuster or binge-watching your favorite sitcom, the Insignia 32-inch F20 series is ready to make your nights more fun. The colors look natural, the contrast is pleasing, and the motion stays smooth. Perfect for casual gaming or enjoying fast-paced action scenes with friends and family. One of the best things about the Insignia 32-inch F20 series is how seamlessly it works with Fire TV. With this TV, you're opening the door to a world full of entertainment and fun. The Fire TV platform is loved for its easy-to-use interface and huge app library, giving you access to thousands of movies, TV shows, games, and so much more. You can enjoy favorites from streaming giants like Netflix, Prime Video, Hulu, and Disney+, along with lots of other unique channels and live TV options. There's truly something for everyone with Fire TV. You can even rent or buy movies and TV shows right from the platform, making it super convenient. The friendly, simple interface makes it easy to find your favorite shows and movies, and personalized recommendations help you discover something new to enjoy every time you watch. In today's world of smart homes and connected devices, voice control is a wonderful way to make life easier and more enjoyable. And the Insignia 32-inch F20 series is ready to help you with this, right out of the box. With built-in Alexa integration, you can easily control your TV and other compatible smart home devices using just your voice. Want to watch the latest episode of your favorite show? Simply say, "Alexa, play show name on Netflix." Feeling a bit chilly? Just ask Alexa to adjust the thermostat. There are so many possibilities. This smooth integration with Alexa makes the Insignia 32-inch F20 series a truly delightful smart TV experience. Getting connected with the Insignia 32-inch F20 series is a breeze, making it easy for everyone to enjoy. With 3 HDMI ports, you can easily hook up your cable box, gaming console, Blu-ray player, or your favorite streaming stick. No hassle at all. There's also a handy USB port, perfect for playing media from your external storage devices, or even giving your smartphone a quick charge. Plus, you'll find an Ethernet port for a smooth and steady wired internet connection, so your streaming is always reliable. And if you love the freedom of wireless, the built-in Wi-Fi has you covered. So whether you're streaming your favorite shows or gaming with friends, the Insignia 32-inch F20 series makes staying connected simple and fun for everyone. Every TV has its own unique features, and the Insignia 32-inch F20 series brings a lot to the table. Let's start with the highlights. For the price, you're getting fantastic value with a solid 32-inch Full HD display, the convenience of Fire TV, and the added bonus of voice control. The picture quality is impressive for its class, and the user-friendly interface makes exploring streaming options simple and enjoyable. There are a couple of things to keep in mind though. The built-in speakers work well for everyday viewing, but for those who love a more immersive sound, you might enjoy adding a soundbar or external speakers. This can really enhance your audio experience and make movie nights even better. Plus, the Fire TV platform offers a wide variety of apps, though you may notice a few apps aren't available compared to some other smart TV platforms. Overall, it's a great choice for most streaming needs. Let's take a friendly look at how the Insignia 32-inch F20 series compares to some other great options out there. In the budget-friendly 32-inch TV segment, you'll find wonderful choices like TCL, Hisense, and Vizio. These brands also offer fantastic options with similar features, but the Insignia 32-inch F20 series often shines with its great combination of price, features, and user experience. The TCL 32S335 is another popular pick in this category, offering a similar feature set and a slightly more vibrant display. The Insignia 32-inch F20 series stands out with its Fire TV integration, making it easy and enjoyable to access all your favorite content. In the end, the best TV for you is the one that fits your needs and brings joy to your home. So, is the Insignia 32-inch F20 series the perfect TV for everyone? It really depends on what you're looking for. When it comes to value, it's truly hard to beat. If you're searching for a budget-friendly TV for a smaller space like a bedroom, dorm room, or kitchen, the Insignia 32-inch F20 series is a fantastic choice. It's also a wonderful option for casual viewers who appreciate value and convenience. If you're someone who loves the ultimate in picture quality and audio for movies or gaming, you might enjoy exploring some of the higher-end models out there. But for most people who want a reliable TV that fits their budget, the Insignia 32-inch F20 series is a real winner. It's a smart, affordable, and user-friendly option that's sure to make you happy.